Welcome to another episode on our channel. We actually recorded earlier an unboxing, but the recording did not turn out. So, and we just found out. So we had to put something together quickly. And so I brought back my steampunk figures, Robert Downey Jr., Brie Larson, and I wanted to show you something I had created way back when. I think you've already seen this. This is supposed to be luggage. I put all sorts of steampunk types of things on this to make it look like luggage. And I thought about doing an antique dolly. And so since I had to put something together real quick tonight, it kind of forced me to think about what could I do, and that came into my head, and so I put it together. So we'll pause now. I'll get the dolly and tell you how I made it. So here is the dolly, and I'll talk about this in a second, but I just wanted to say the unboxing is going to be of the Wolverine, the 1973 Wolverine. It won't be an unboxing anymore. I'll just show you the stand and how complicated it is to put together, as well as the figure. There are a couple of things that you need to know in terms of changing out some body parts that are somewhat complicated and a little frightening, actually, in terms of putting it together. But you'll see that probably in the next episode or the one after that. Well, sometime this week. But anyway, this is the dolly that I made. I'm already thinking of version 2 because I'm not happy with it. I want to have some horizontal slabs and maybe another vertical slab. But this is a corner plate that you use to join two pieces of wood. And it really is too small for this, but it works for now. These are wooden dowels, and the one that joins the tires together is a wooden dowel as well. This is a larger wooden dowel that was cut to the size of a small tire. It was painted black. And what I did with the tires to create this design was I took some really thin pieces of steampunk metal. I used silver first, and then on top of that, I put an antique bronze looking piece. And then on top of that, I put another silver piece. So this is what I'm getting down here. I put it on both sides of the tire, so there are 4 sets of these metal pieces on each tire. Not on each tire, but 4 sets of metal on the 2 tires, one on each side. Makes it very heavy, which is kind of cool. Again, wooden dowels. This is something we've already done in the past, so it's nothing new. It's taking a steampunk gun, cutting it in half, taking the trigger guard off the trigger, leaving only the hammer on, so you get the look of a gun here as a handle. Quirky looking for steampunk kind of a look. So you could, obviously use this and put some luggage on it, have the figure holding it. It doesn't roll or anything like that. It's not that sophisticated, but it can hold luggage. Or you can just use it as a prop and kind of just pose it, something like that. I think that's a cool look. But I'm already thinking, like I said, of version 2. Horizontal slabs and a vertical slab down the middle. So I think that will look better than just this tiny piece down here. But anyway, this is the first go around in a short period of time. We were able to pull it off. So I'm happy about that. So sorry we couldn't show you the Wolverine, but we will be able to get to it sometime this week. So I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.